Good morning, Hope School. We are back again with a battle of the books. Today we have Ghosts versus The Collected. Just remember, you are going to listen to a brief description of each book, and then you are going to go to the library Google Classroom and click on the link to vote for which book you think should move on to the next round. Our first book is The Collected. Something horrible happened to Josie, something so horrible she won't talk about it. But when the horror returns for her little sister Anna, she's back in the battle against a fearsome force that manifests in diabolically deadly dolls. It's been 5 years since Josie squared off against the evil Beryl and her killer haunted dolls. She hasn't talked about it since and likes to pretend it didn't happen. Too bad she didn't tell her younger sister Anna, because Anna is now the one being drawn into the evil. And the evil has some new tricks this time. Our next book is Ghosts. Katrina and her family are moving to the coast of Northern California because her little sister Maya is sick. Kat isn't happy about leaving her friends from Bahia de Luna, but Maya has cystic fibrosis and will benefit from the cool, salty air that blows in from the sea. As the girls explore their new home, a neighbor lets them in on a secret. There are ghosts in Baja de Luna, and Maya is determined to meet one, but Kat wants nothing to do with them. As the time of year when ghosts reunite with their loved ones approaches, Kat must figure out how to put aside her fears for her sister's sake and her own. If either one of these books sounds interesting to you, we do have both of these books in our library. Feel free to put them on hold or check them out. I hope that you take time to vote, and remember, hope begins with you.